Tips for curing onions, part 1. When the green tops on your onions have begun to flop over, you know those onions are finished growing for the season. However, if you want to store those onions long term, you need to put them through a process called curing. Also remember that you want to choose onion varieties that do well for long-term storage. I plant many different kinds, but my favorites are Bridger and Cortland onions. If possible and the weather allows, I like to cure my onions in ground as long as possible. When the onion tops have flopped over like this, I will stop watering to allow them to start curing or drying out. This can be tricky when you have some onions that have fallen over and others that haven't. So at this point, I cut off water in my soaker hoses to that particular bed, and I will hand water any onions that are still standing. I will also cover any onions that I want to start curing in ground if we're going to get rain. Then I'll keep the onions in the ground until about 1/2 to 3/4 of those green leaves have died back.